We want you to know about a college that is Kenya's best-kept secret. It is Kciti. Kenya Christian Industrial Training Institute was established in 1992. We offer diplomas, craft certificates, and artisan certificates, as well as short courses. Would you like to study ICT, electrical and electronics engineering, building and civil engineering, automotive engineering, hospitality, ECDE, or study in our newest department, hairdressing and beauty therapy? Our professional teachers would like to help you succeed in your career choice. And don't forget to visit our HACO driving school so you can complete your driving education. Our beautiful campus is located in Eastleigh, Nairobi at the end of 5th Street. Plan now to visit us to see firsthand what makes our school the right place for you to study. Our vision should be your vision. We want to educate you for economic self-sufficiency. Isn't it time for you to learn so you can earn a good income? Don't confuse us with colleges who have a similar sounding name. There is only one Kciti College. We hope to see you soon.